So, welcome to our next episode. So, we will talk about the challenge more than a decade after, no? The Republic's challenge, the Republic's action. Almost 18 years later, or on September 12, 1985, the Republic of the Philippines filed with the Intermediate Appellate Court. So, this is like the Court of Appeals, an action to declare the proceedings in Land Registration Case 123. Okay, buat ako ng 123 before the Court of First Instance, null and void. Okay, so they wanted to declare it null and void, and they prayed for the cancellation of the original certificate of title issued in the name of the petitioners, and the titles derived therefrom as null and void. So in case nga nabuak-buak na siya, chopped into pieces, let's say by way of subdivision or partition, or by way of sale of a portion of the property, or if it was sold to other parties, the Republic of the Philippines prayed for their cancellation. Okay, the original certificate of title, including the titles derived therefrom. So this refers to the transfer certificates of title, if there is any, to direct the Register of Deeds to annul said certificates of title, to direct the Register of Deeds to annul said certificates of title, and to confirm the subject land as part of the domain. Okay. So interesting, nanay title, nanay titulo, na issue na sa name of the petitioners, then 18 years later, 18 years later, almost 2 decades later, there was an action by the government asking the court to cancel the original certificate of title and the transfer certificates of title derived from it, if there is or there are any, and to direct the Register of Deeds to annul said certificates of title, and praying that the court confirm the subject land as part of the public domain. So what is the decision of the Court of Appeals? Interesting case. Now imagine, 18 years later na nakititulo, then suddenly naay kaso gikan sa Republic of the Philippines, ipa-cancel imong title. Would it be a surprise? No? Surprise gyud kayo, no? So that will be the topic of our next episode, and if you have latest updates para ma-share po nako, send me a link. Pero ako lang gov.ph website lang na link, okay, para easy for me to verify or authenticate. Okay, so walay right for wrong contribution, sa link lang, no? So this is our co-learning channel. Send me a link sa gov.ph website, and my email address is behind me, so you can send it also through Viber or WhatsApp. My email address is Juliet Alpha November Romeo Uniform Zulu Lima Alpha Whiskey John Ruse Law @gmail.com. Send me a link, share the latest update, especially kung natrabaho ka sa gobyerno, let's say you work in DAR, DENR, Register of Deeds, whatever it is na involved sa land cases or transactions, share a link sa latest updates para ma-appeal na ko o share. Ako i-try yung summarize para sa yun basahon, or pwede rin ninyo nga paminawon, no? You can just listen if like you're the type who does not want to read. So share a link, then I can read it for you, and I can also check its authenticity, veracity, the applicability, and the source. Ako la favor, gov.ph website ang source. Okay? So see you in the next episode.